Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uh, use voice type using Microsoft Word on Android. So there is a Microsoft Word application on your mobile phone. You can download for Android from Play Store or for iOS from App Store. After you download and install, you can open your Microsoft Word. Make sure you have Microsoft account in order to use all the service. Here you can stop plus to start new blank document here. In order to use voice typing, you can try to enable the dictate by tap three dot at the top of your screen. And here we go, you can turn on dictation. And then you can tap on a blank document to start typing. And here we go, there is a microphone icon. You can tap to switch to dictate keyboard. You can tap it, you can allow, and here we go, you can try something, try saying something, and Microsoft Word will type for you. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.